It's important to understand what happens to you when you're stressed. The stress response system is one of the oldest parts of human physiology. We have it in common with all other animals. It's sometimes referred to as the lizard brain. Lizards only want to be comfortable. They know only two states, stress or comfort. If anything threatens their state of comfort, they respond with speed to remove that threat and return to comfort. Our stress response system isn't any different. Anything that we perceive as a threat will be handled in exactly the same way by our lizard brain, regardless of whether the threat is real in terms of life or death or not. This system is critical to our survival because when a life or death threat comes along, we need to act with speed and decisiveness. No second guessing. And so, along with increased and enriched blood flow to our muscles, any system within us that isn't necessary shuts down in order to maintain focus on the stressor and conserve our energy. That includes many parts of our brain. When we're relaxed, we're able to explore mentally, to notice things in our field of vision all around us. But when we're stressed, that isn't possible. All our brain can do is focus completely on the stressor. This is called tunnel vision. Tunnel vision helps us resolve the stress with optimum speed. That's perfect if the stressor were a real threat to our survival. But if it isn't a real threat, then we aren't able to know what else is going on that might really be a threat. That's when we trip over a curb and hurt ourselves, when we inadvertently say something thoughtless to someone, when we're disconnected to who we're talking to. Our tunnel vision won't let us see that curb or the people around us. All our focus is on that single thing that we feel is a threat. Chances are you already know what that's like. On that kind of day, it would be a near miracle if you didn't have some kind of accident or step on somebody's toes. You might already know what it's like to have most of your days stressed like that. Living a successful life and feeling empowered by your life isn't possible if you're stressed most of the time. It might not be as noticeable to you when you're young, but your resources will be much depleted as you get older. Tunnel vision is something built into our physiology because we need it. It's a great benefit to us when there's a real threat. That's what it's there for.